Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is called Excel in Art, and I use Microsoft Office shapes in Word or Excel to create art. In this episode, we're going to make a washer. It's a steel washer that you would use in construction. First, we go into Insert, find our shape, Circle Hollow is what it's called. I'm going to bring in the size of the hole. Now we're going to change the fill. I'm going to leave that outline how it is for now. Shape fill, gradient. Okay, let me just try this one. Shape effects, bevel. There we go. Now we're gonna assign a number to it, just like every washer has a ink printed number. Let's do that. Insert shapes. Okay, 4364. And choose a font. I'll just choose Arial Black. I'm gonna give it a color. Size larger. Okay, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Let's just make that fixed. Okay. Now we're going to go into text effects, not shape effects, but text effects. Glow. We're going to add some glow, just like the ink was smudged. I'm going to put it here. Maybe make it a little bit darker. Okay, let's do it here, like that. Text effects. Let's maybe increase the glow on that a little bit. And make that glow a little bit darker. Let's go here, text effects, glow, more glow options. And let's see. Oops, gotta highlight it. Text effects, glow, more glow options. It's a little bit too dark. Let's see what else they have. Okay, that's good. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.